एक बार सब वीडियो अपने ऑन कर लो प्लीज. Video on please, all of you. Yes, we are recording it. Okay. Utkarsh has some video problem, no problem. Good morning everyone. Today I'll start again Python programming. Put off your video and now we'll start the programming part. And you know what I do normally when I teach programming, so I always share screen with you. So I will share screen with you and then we'll start the programming. So I'm sharing screen for you, share, and we'll start programming. Okay? My video is pinned here. So Python IDLE. IDLE. What's wrong with this? Python IDLE. Okay. Now see here, we'll start. Now, what was the previous program we have made? Any of you can say, please. बोल दो एक बार तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा. What was the last program we have done? Come on, say quick. Oh.
Enter age of employee and check retirement.
Yeah. Retirement age. And Mr. Mrs. something like that was there, I think. Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आप बोला करो बेटा, रिस्पॉन्स दिया करो. Now my next program will be. Now in our program, one thing I have taught you or not, you tell me. elif. Just show your thumbs up at least. I have taught elif or not? Yes, I taught. It is used to check multiple conditions. Okay, good. It is used to check multiple conditions. It checks a value out of many alternatives. It checks a value out of many alternatives. ठीक है? So जैसे 3-4 condition हो, then you use if, else, elif. Understood? Okay. So now we will go to the programming part, and mostly I will teach. At present, I am teaching you if, else, and elif. And based on this, these conditional statements, I am making program for you. You write it now. I will also start word for you so that word. Okay. Increase the size. 22 is enough. 24 is enough. So I am going to teach you question. Likho. Write a program. Write a program to enter. We have, I think, made of 2 numbers, greater of 2 numbers. Now we are making for 3 numbers. Write a program to enter 3 numbers and find the greater of 3. Find the greater of 3 or find the largest number. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, depending on language. Largest, greatest, whatever you use, number. And find the largest, greatest number. So what we will do, how to make this program, very simple concept, nothing great in it. We'll start new. And here I will write program. So what I will write first, I have to take variable. Now it depends what you want to take. Like floating to a is equals to float. Input. Enter. First number. Then b equals to float. Input. Enter. Second number. Then c is equals to float. Input. Enter. Third number. Now we have to give a condition. I'll make this program in different ways. पहला method जो है सबसे simple वाला, if a is greater than b and A is greater than C, then you can take a decision A is greater. So what will I write here, friends? Greater number A. Biggest number, largest number, whatever you want to write. Yeah, largest ही लिख देता हूँ. Largest number, biggest number, whatever you want to use. L if B greater than A and B greater than C. Then you have to print here. Now this block is, I think, very clear to you. That has to be in block, otherwise it will show an error. And I have already explained this. Largest number B. L if spelling is wrong, that's the color is changed. So take care of that also. L if. And then I'm writing else. Enough. No need of giving third condition. Or you want to give, you can give else if, then finally you give all the numbers are equal. First I'll make this one only. Else largest number C, and you run this program. So we have used and you know the meaning of and operator. The and operator states that if both the numbers are true, both the conditions are true, then only the result will be true, otherwise false. So I will run this program and show it to you. Okay. In case of error, it will show. Gana is coming late. LARG numbers दे दिया. Enter first number. Gana is still waiting. Come on. Wait for a minute. What happened with Gana 11 Commerce? Why she is not joining? Don't disturb my class. Gana 11C. Late you are. Okay. First number 44. Second number 45.6. Third number 45.7. So obviously 45.7 is greater number. So largest number is 45.7. So how the program is taking decision, you must know that. These are the basic things you have to learn. What it is doing basically, it is checking A is greater than B and A greater than C. If A is greater than B and A is also greater than C, then it is displaying largest number in L if. That means second condition. If B is greater than A and B greater than C, then obviously B is greater. If A and B are not greater, that means the greater number is, or the largest number is C. Got it? Got it? Show thumbs up so that I will go ahead. Okay. Now in case of equality also it will work. Good. In case of equality it will also work, like if I'll give all the numbers same. Largest number 55 only. But if you want to display a message like all numbers are equal, that also you can do. So for that I told you, you have to take another condition. L if C greater than A, otherwise this program was okay. C greater than A, caps off. C greater than A and C greater than B, then largest number C, and then we will write else. And then we will write here print, numbers are equal. Numbers are equal. Run. All depends on your logic. Numbers are equal. That way. So I'll go for the next program. Should I? Understood. Good. Next program is you write. Next program is your write a program. One thing I wanted to talk to you, all of you, like many of even parents called me and even the students, they have asked me. So, sir, like we have opted some other subject and we want to change the subject and all. So father has given some time to change your subject. Those who are still interested in computers, they can attend my classes and also they can opt computer class. Those who have missed my lecture, all the lectures are available on net so that you can easily view all this lecture and you can get the concept. And in case you have problem, we have a doubt class every Saturday and also in the class itself you can ask. So that's not a big problem. So those who are still interested can join because there's a certain time period given by father. After that, I don't think he will allow. So decide your subjects fast so that whatever the subject you want to learn. And I'm telling you, this year CBSE has reduced the syllabus as well as this language is not difficult at all, like C, C++, even Java. It is much easier than these three languages, the Python language. And in today's world, we are using most of the programming we are doing using Python language. So this is the latest one which I am teaching you, and the concept I am building from right beginning, the base I am building. Once your base is strong, automatically you can do any sort of program. Come to the next point. Write a program. Write a program to enter sides, 3 sides. देखो मैं प्रोग्राम क्या बना रहा हूँ, 3 sides of a triangle and enter 3 sides of a triangle and find area using not वो base और height वाला, altitude वाला, using Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So Heron's formula क्या है बेटा? Square root s into a area is equals to s square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Correct? This is the formula. Square root s into a. Understood now? Okay. Nishal is giving good response. Others, we have to find out 3 sides of a triangle and find area using. And अब इसके साथ एक condition और लगा रहा हूँ. If the sides are correct. If the sides are correct. मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब ये हुआ sum of 2 sides. Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Correct or not? This condition we have to follow, otherwise it's not possible to make a triangle. Show thumbs up so that I'll go for the logic part if you have understood what we are going to do. Only initially. Noel, Gena, Kanak, others. Anuj is also showing Shabash. Okay, good. So we have to enter 3 sides of a triangle. Okay, good. I understood. Okay. So this program I am going to make. You want to ask?
पता है मैं अच्छे से समझी, वो बार-बार मेरा नाम लेते हैं।
Mute.
मुझे बताओ कि मैं सही बात
Mute yourself. Mute. Okay. I have allowed that. फिर unmute में mute यहाँ से कर दूँगा तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी. We cannot have conversation. ये प्रॉब्लम. अब मुझे सब कुछ आता है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. मैं आपको हर चीज से रोकूंगा. Please don't talk. Mute. Please mute yourself, नहीं तो मुझे forcefully mute करना पड़ेगा. Please mute yourself. Good. So we'll start. मैं forcefully नहीं करना चाहता, फिर interaction खत्म हो जाएगी. मजा नहीं आएगा अभी पढ़ाने का. मैं अभी 1 मिनट में आपको म्यूट कर दूंगा यहाँ से, क्या फायदा? Okay. So come to the point. This program we are going to make. So I will take ABC variable only. A is equals to, and I will also take floating variable. So A is equals to float, input, enter, first side, side 1, A side, कुछ भी लिख लो. फिर B is equals to float. You can copy paste also if you are comfortable in that. मैं तो type paste कर सकता हूँ तो मुझे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Input, enter, second side, then C is equals to float, input, third side, then you have to find out the semi-perimeter also. S is equals to, if you want to give bracket, well and good, otherwise directly we have to say A plus B plus C divided by 2. Correct? And then we'll give the condition. If A is greater than, no, A plus B is greater than C and B plus C greater than A and A plus C greater than B, then only you can find out the area. So even if you want this statement कि semi perimeter unnecessary क्यों calculate हो, ये हटा के यहाँ से आप यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं. That's not a problem. Okay? अब अगर ये इंडेंट प्रॉपरली नहीं है तो एक बार पीछे चले जाया करो और फिर एक बार एंटर मारा करो. तो बिल्कुल सही जगह पे था, एंटर. And now you have to find the area. So I will use the variable AR. A I have already used, so I will not use A again. And this time I will use area. अब आपको स्क्वायर रूट साइन तो बनाना यहाँ पे नहीं अलाउड है. So उसकी जगह मैंने ऑलरेडी फंक्शन पढ़ा रखा है math dot sqrt. So I will use that math dot sqrt and math module once you are using to import math भी करना है, that I will show you. Otherwise it will show an error. So what we have to write, square root हो गया s into s minus a and you have to mention asterisk sign into. मैथ्स में अंडरस्टूड होता है, अगर हम नहीं भी लिखें तो ये अंडरस्टूड होता है कि यहाँ पर इंटू छुपा हुआ है s माइनस ए, मगर इसमें कंप्यूटर्स में आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. फंक्शन के बाद जरूरी नहीं है हियर बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग फंक्शन, बट वंस यू आर यूजिंग अ वेरिएबल एंड देन समथिंग यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, तो ऐसा अंडरस्टूड नहीं है कि ए बी का मतलब ए इंटू बी होता है मैथ्स में, बट ए इंटू बी आपको एस्ट्रिक्स से मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. दैट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर. So s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Area we have got it, so we'll print area of the triangle. Okay, and then what I will write it here, else print side center, sides entered are wrong या wrong side center. जो भी आप लैंग्वेज लिखना चाहें, it's up to you. So I have made this program and I will run this program to you and show it to you. Run module, okay. So what I'll do here, A, B, C, okay. A is equals to float input enter first side, B is equals to float input second side, C is equals to float input third side. If A plus B greater than C and B plus C greater than A and A plus C greater than B. Why we are taking three conditions? Because all the three sides, that is sum of two sides, should be greater than the third side. So I'll give the AR now and run this program. Enter first side. See, just now I am entering a wrong side, 44, then 4 and 5. So sides enter are wrong, so you will not get any area. If you are getting area on this, that means there's something wrong with you. Understood? Give response so that I'll go ahead and I will show the correct one. Okay. So बात समझ में आ रही है, अच्छी बात है. Now I'll again run this program and show it to you. This time I am running this program run module and then I am giving the side as suppose 4, 5 and 3. Correct? इसमें तो अलग sum of two side is always greater than the third side. There is some error. I told you, no, math is not defined. That means we should have a module. That is, we should import the module math. So what I am doing here, import module, import math. Run. Okay. 4, 5, 3. area of the triangle. Now see here, देखो आपके सीखने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Why it is coming area of the triangle and no result is coming here? Can you guess the reason here? Very simple reason. You can say also no problem. If it is recorded also no problem. You say, what is the reason here? Why it is not displaying the area?
Because variable of area was not mentioned.
We have not used the variable AR. So we must use the variable, then only you will get the result, because that result is stored in AR variable. I am running this program and I'll show you now with the 3 sides again, and all the results are here, no problem in that. Okay. So enter for sides. I will take purposely same, so that 5, 4 and 3, and this time area of the triangle is coming 6. That's 100% accurate. Now if you want to give values in decimal points, you can give 3.4, 4.2, 5.5, because calculation floating में भी area निकाला जा सकता है. So that's not an issue. Okay, this program is 100% clear to you. Please note down those who have not noted it. प्रोग्राम आप नोट कर लीजिए. ये लार्जर नंबर वाला प्रोग्राम भी यहाँ पर है, अगर आप चाहें तो नोट कर लें अभी या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. Then I will remove this and I will go for the next program. ये largest वाला था, and this program is for area of triangle, 100% accurate program. If you are facing any problem, please. Import समझ में आ गया? Import math. Why we have used import math? What is the reason behind it? What is the reason? Because we have used the module math and its function. So math.sqrt I can only use when we are importing, because it is not defined within the interpreter of Python. Some functions are defined within, so that you need not to import. But in this case, you have to, whatever the math module you will use, for that you have to use import. Okay, come to the next point. मोर प्रोग्राम है. हाँ, एक प्रोग्राम मैं और ले रहा हूँ. आई थिंक इसमें टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा. फिर भी मैं आप लिखो, राइट अ प्रोग्राम WAP to enter RNO. थोड़ा सा अच्छे से बनाओ. नेम एंड मार्क्स ऑफ 5 सब्जेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मगर अभी मैं 3 सब्जेक्ट लेना, आप 5 पे बनाना. मार्क्स ऑफ marks of 5 subjects, you can make for 3 subjects, and calculate या find out some percentage and grade of student, grade of the students. A grade के लिए ले लो, कितना है कि कर ले, 90 to 100. बी के लिए ले लो 75 to 89. सी के लिए ले लो 60 to 74. एंड लेस देन 60 अगर किसी के आते हैं तो मैं उसको फेल मानता हूँ. तो फेल ग्रेड इज लेस देन 60. मैं यही ग्रेड यूज करूंगा, A, B, C एंड फेल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस प्रोग्राम फॉर यू. अगर आपने नोट देखिए, आपका सबसे अच्छा आसान तरीका होता है स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया, तो फिर बाद में कॉपी मेंटेन करो, बिकॉज कॉपी वी विल चेक ऑल्सो. बहुत जल्दी स्कूल खुल जाएंगे, तो आपको स्कूल आना होगा, तो आपके पास पहले से रिटर्न, बाद में फिर आपको यहाँ बैठ के लिखना पड़ेगा, परेशान होगे. सो इट्स बेटर यू राइट. And father is very firm, strict regarding this. Nice father. और वो जो वर्क है वो बिल्कुल प्रॉपर चाहते हैं, साफ बात. सो यू प्लीज कंप्लीट योर वर्क, मेक योर कॉपी. स्कूल रजिस्टर आप कोई भी बना सकते हैं, कंप्यूटर कॉपी है वेल एंड गुड, बट स्कूल रजिस्टर हैज टू बी देयर. स्कूल रजिस्टर में आप अपना काम कर सकते हैं. कम टू द पॉइंट नाउ. न्यू फाइल वी आर क्रिएटिंग, एंड देन वी आर यूजिंग हियर RNO equals to INT input, enter roll number. Okay, then name is equals to input. I'm taking name only. Input, enter name. Then we are taking I'll take physics, chemistry, maths, bio, English, accounts, business studies, etc. So instead of that, I am taking M1 is equals to marks 1 is अब आप अपने हिसाब से डिसाइड कर लेना ये किस चीज़ का मार्क्स है. मैं इसको लिख देता हूँ एंटर मार्क्स 1. अब आप अपने हिसाब से बनाना है. आप अगर कॉमर्स के तो कॉमर्स के हिसाब से 3 सब्जेक्ट्स ले लेना. इफ यू आर साइंस स्टूडेंट देन यू टेक अकॉर्डिंगली. एंटर M2. Then M3 is equals to, I have not used input sign, equals to sign there, and also not use float. I will use all this. Enter marks 3. So I will take probably this. I will take this also, and then here I will write M2 equals to float. Okay. M1 also I will take float. Okay. Corrections you can make any time, no problem. Float, I'm taking here also. So all is okay, no problem. Here quotes is not, quotes is missing. Okay. Then finally we have to find the total. The TOT I'm taking here, and then I'm writing M1 plus M2 plus M3. Then I have to find out the percentage. The percentage I'm finding total. आउट ऑफ 100 है तो अच्छी बात है. आप डिवाइडेड बाई 3 भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो अगर आउट ऑफ 100 है नहीं 80 70 है तो उसके हिसाब से आपको into 100 divided by some marks of all the subjects that you have to do. Now we have to check the condition. If it is out of 100, no problem. Total into 100 divided by 300. If percentage is, मैंने शायद condition आपको जो है वो 100 के हिसाब से ही दी है. If percentage is greater than equals to 90 and percentage less than equals to, कल आपकी जो मैं क्लास लूँगा नेक्स्ट उसमें मैं थोड़ी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग और कराऊंगा ताकि आपको एक ही प्रोग्राम के डिफरेंट लॉजिक समझ में आए. मुझे याद दिला देना, जैसे मैंने ग्रेटर नंबर बनाया उसको बहुत अलग तरीके से भी बना के दिखा दूंगा कि देखो ऐसे भी प्रोग्राम चल सकता है. तो इफ परसेंटेज ग्रेटर देन 90 एंड परसेंटेज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 100 तो ग्रेड G आई एम टेकिंग हियर A. L if percentage greater than equals to 75 and percentage less than equals to 89, grade is equals to B. जो भी कंडीशन आपने दी आपको याद होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज क्वेश्चन से देखें ना. इफ परसेंटेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 60 एंड परसेंटेज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 74, grade is equals to C. Else print या G is equals to F. I don't want D and O. सीधे fail. And then I am going to print. आप print सारी values करा सकते हैं, मगर मैं अभी print करा रहा हूँ सिर्फ total marks TOT. Then मैं print करा रहा हूँ print percentage marks. PER. Then I am using here print grade, and I'll show G also. So I will show this program to you. जल्दी कर लो, टाइम मेरे पास अब कम है और मेरी अगली क्लास के बच्चे भी आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो ग्रेड कर देंगे जी आप. सो मेरा जो है इसका AMD हो गया, इसको एंड करो. एंड हो गया, रन करो, अपने आप पता चल जाता है एरर कहाँ होती है. सो रोल नंबर 1, नेम इनिशियल ले लो, NIS कर दिया, मार्क्स 88, 99, 89, Total marks 276, percentage 92.0 and grade 100% accurate. अब आप ये समझ जाओ कि जो हमारे पास सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट होते हैं उनके पीछे जो स्क्रिप्टिंग होती है या प्रोग्रामिंग होती है वो यही है बेटा, कोई बहुत कमाल नहीं होता है। बाकी कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको बहुत सारे सीखने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके आप एक परफेक्ट प्रोग्रामर बनेंगे। सो आई थिंक पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू। अब मैं इसके बारे में अगली क्लास में और डिस्कस कर लूँगा। आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेव दिस DRA नाम से एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट मोर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। Okay, so my class is waiting. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye.